To redeem miles in Turkish Airlines, start by typing the airline's name into your web browser's search bar and click on the official website, turkishairlines.com. On the home page, you'll see various options, including Miles and Smiles, which is where you'll need to go to redeem your miles. Within the Miles and Smiles section, you'll find options to earn miles and redeem them. To proceed with redeeming miles, you'll see choices such as Ticket, Cash and Miles, Shop and Miles, and Redeeming Miles. Channels. If you opt for Ticket, you can issue an award ticket by filling out the required information. And if you encounter any issues, you can refer to the FAQs. The Cash and Miles option allows you to purchase miles with cash. And Shop and Miles will direct you to a separate page where you can explore shopping options with your miles. To complete the redemption process, simply follow the prompts for your chosen option.